Hey guys, Joe here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're breaking a hole in the wall, even though we've already had today because you know how I'm like. I can't wait until we do another video, so I'm just gonna, break a hole in this. Actually, just wait. Wait a minute, no pee in the water. Let's get torches first. First. We need some wood. 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 I like wood. Do you like wood? I like wood too. Oh, that's good, innit? Good times. Not bad times anymore. Not sad times. Good times. I've got 2 woods. I've got to put this in here. What do you? And you are here. Craft something up real good. Craft some sticky wicks. No. Don't want a button, man. I don't want a button. They're so rubbish, y'all. They're like the worst things in the world, aren't they, man? Okay, I think we got a few sticky wicks. Sticky wicks there. A few sticky wicks. Then let's put some coal. That's it, right? No, it's like that. Yeah, I'm so bad at crafting. Yeah, so many torches. Good times, not bad times. There's one more torch left. Good, you have served us well, coal. Oh yeah, you're going here. The random stuff. So we have 64. Oh! Yeah! Oh yeah, I have to feed everyone now. I'm gonna do it when I come back. They can wait until lunchtime. Oh yeah. This way! Always fail at that. Oops. Okay guys, are you ready? I'm not. Whoa! Ow! Right. They were waiting for me. Not good. Not good at all. Shh. Kill. Hello? Whoa! Haha. I'm concentrating here. Bro! Yes. Wait, what? I just want to put a torch here. Yes. Got more bones. Yay. A bow! We got. Oh, they're so rare, man. Well, not really, but still, it's quite good. Whoa, zombie! Ow. Knock him off the edge, man. What the shambles? Oh, I missed a shamble. You don't belong here, man. I hear another one. Whoa. These zombies are coming in like crazy, man. Ah, hit him with the gravel. Ow. Oi. Zombie. No, there's so many zombies. Run, run. It's this way, right? Run. Run! Oh man, they're coming. They're coming up my stairs. No! I thought my stairs were monster proof. I have one shot. Yeah! But now my bow is completely useless. I can't even shoot him anymore. Oi, zombie! Oi! Oi, yo! I want a little word, yo! You know? Just to get, like, good neighboring. Where's he going, man? Such a dumb zombie. Come on up here, man. Are you afraid of me? Are you scared of me? Is that it? Or do you love me, man? Oh, he can't walk across there. I'm gonna just get a bit of dirt so he can get up. You know, help the enemy. It's nice of me, isn't it? You know? I'm so kind, aren't I? Look, do you want to help? Do you want to help, man? You're not gonna be able to get there, are they? Dudes. Oh no, he got there! Oh. Excuse me, Mr. Zombie. What you doing, man? You weirdy. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What? Run! No! 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 Actual nose right there. No, 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 no. No, my stairs. Okay, let's see if we can still get up. Right, we can't. Bonus coal though, which is okay. Try and get up here. So if we make so how did they do it in the videos? Oh yeah. That. Need to mine some stuff real quick. Like Dan TDM always says, man. Real quick. Get some cobble. Some of that good old stuff. Got you. Don't really need you, but still. Got you. Let's. I'm just supposed to. This did not turn out how I wanted it to. Well, I wanted it to. Maybe you guys got a laugh out of this. But I didn't, okay? So think about me. Yes, that's very helpful. Oh, get out here, block of stone. Oh, it's getting to night time. I don't really like it very much. It was all that creeper, wasn't it, guys? That creeper's fault. At least we didn't die. Like, we should have died, but we didn't. Good. Okay, skeleton. It's coming up to the surface. It's a cool bridge, right? Mm. Come on. Ha! Freedom! Freedom to me's. Let's just go to bed in Auntie's bed. Her bed's a lot more comfy than our bed. We didn't feed the animals, do they look? I'll feed them now. I'll feed them double what they're supposed to have. If I can. Maybe they might be. I'm just gonna eat some them carrots. There you go. Polar bear can feed herself. Let's go down the couch. Done. Does he not like the water? Is that it, Canston? Do you not like them? Availablecar.com. Aww. Some seagrass. I'm gonna put more seagrass in your enclosure. You deserve the more seagrass. There you go. There you go. There you go. Let's put it here. Seagrass. There you go, Daniel. Let's try it again, shall we? Shall we? I think we should. That's just my idea. I think we should still. So yeah. My idea, my rules. 'Cause I can't hear you. This is just a YouTube channel. If it was I can hear. If it wasn't I can definitely hear all the things you're saying channel, I would probably be able to hear you better. I need... What's that eerie noise? The zombies come from everywhere. I need to make a little wall here. To block out them. And then put more torches around. Oh yeah, I need to block up this. Shift it. Gravel. Getting stuff. It's nearly the end of the video. We haven't even done any mining. Man, I'm a bad YouTuber. Block it up. Let's put like a wall instead of just having to block it all up, shall we?